And we start with what we start. 1 second. We start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon. The topic is no credibility. When one is told Lashon Hara and attempts to follow the Torah commandment, to reject it as false, the evil inclination often counters with the following argument. How can you not accept this report as a fact? Dare to accuse the speaker of lying, of transgressing the prohibition distance yourself from falsehood. Shmos 23:7. So it's Hara comes and say, what do you mean? This guy, you say this guy is lying? What do you like? How you're supposed to judge everybody favorably? He's doing you a favor. He's warning you, right? And that's what Hara says. Okay, so it says distance yourself from lying, and he does not. That's what you're suspecting him of. The response to this is as follows: if you were to see a Jew who is knowledgeable in the laws of Jewish observance, fragrantly violate Torah law, would you then accept the fact that whatever information he has to offer about others? Certainly not. So if somebody is sinning and now he's he's Michal Shabbos and he reported that somebody else is Michal Shabbos. Okay. Surely one cannot trust the word of one who is openly flaunts Hashem's word. So if he goes directly against Hashem in open, non-shomer Shabbos in open, other things, has some other things that he does. Okay, he goes to non-kosher restaurant and stuff like that. And now he's talking bad about other Jews. Okay. A Jew who speaks ill of his fellow has transgressed. You shall not be gossenmonger among your people. Vayikra 19:16. A most severe prohibition. As Halacha makes clear, this prohibition is violated even when the report is true, that the speaker is guilty of severe transgression and as such has no credibility. Okay, so basically he's a sinner, and we cannot believe a sinner. Okay,